Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to verify your domain ownership via DNS records on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to domains, and next to the domain that you want to verify its ownership, click on manage. Now go to DNS/name servers, and here scroll down to manage DNS records. Now let's say you are trying to verify your domain ownership on for example on an email provider like Mailchimp, for example. They give you a TXT or small information to add to your DNS records in order to make sure that you own this domain. Usually they give you a TXT DNS record. So click on type, select the DNS record type, let's say TXT. Then they for the name, you can name it at or your website name or something like that, whatever the name. And this is the TXT value that they give you. Let's say they give you a very long TXT value like that, many numbers and characters. Click on add record. DNS record created successfully. And if you see here at the end of this long list, you will see that your DNS record is added like that. TXT, the name, and the TXT value. Now you can edit it from here, delete it from here, but now you can return back to the... Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Now you can edit it from here, delete it from here, but now you can return back to the service that they ask you for your domain ownership verification, and let them know that you've added the DNS record. And this is how to verify your domain ownership via DNS records on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.